Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best bubble flaring tools that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Nico Brake Line Toolkit. For just over $20 United States, the Nico Brake Line Toolkit has impressed buyers not only for the great value for money but also for being easy to use, even for a beginner. Customers expressed that this thing makes solid double flare connections, and that it worked first time, every time, right out of the box, on or off the car, with just a few turns of the handle. Very easy to make top-notch bubble flares, wrote one buyer, who helpfully mentioned that they used a little oil on the arbor where it contacts the tubing to reduce friction. Moving on at number 4, we have Titan Brake Line Flaring Tool. As the most highly rated flaring tool on Amazon, as well as being Amazon's choice for double flare brake line toolkit, the Titan 51535 is ideal for nickel, copper and steel tubing, though not stainless steel. It can be used directly on the car or truck as it has a slim frame to fit easily in tight spaces. The kit comes with the 3/16" double flaring tool, which has a removable handle, a double-ended OP1, single, and OP2, double, punch, a positioning bolt, and a small tub of dye lubricant. I have been working on cars for 35 years, and making hard brake lines has always been an issue, wrote one customer. Using only the OP1 side of the anvil, I ended up with perfectly shaped, leak-free bubble flares. This 51535 tool is the best I have ever seen and used. The company also offers a 1/4 inch brake line flaring tool option. At number 3, we have Shankly Flaring Tool Set. This set includes everything you need to cut and flare lines of a variety of sizes. The adapters and flaring cone are constructed of tough steel and are coated with a chrome finish. This does improve looks but is intended to provide maximum protection of the tool and aid in its operation. Because it can flare lines ranging from 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch lines, you can use it for flaring brake lines and other types of tubing. The kit also includes a high-quality cutting tool, so you don't need to make any further investments. It can only produce single flares, but it will still be useful for a range of projects. The only concerning thing about this flaring kit is the finish of the product. It's not the best and is susceptible to chipping, but for use on infrequent projects, this isn't much a concern. At number 2, we have FlexiFlaring Tool Set. This model features a single flaring cone that is fixed to the yoke to keep things simple. That does mean it will only produce single flares, but you won't have to worry about losing adapters. Furthermore, the yoke remains fixed to the flaring bar and works to both clamp the line in place and drive the flaring cone. And there are only 2 fastening mechanisms you will need to use for operation. They also feature broad gripping areas and do not require additional tools. This flaring tool is perfect for a handyman because it can be used for brake, refrigerant, and gas lines. It's also very affordable when you consider all it can be used for. This model is enormous and is challenging to use in tight spaces. This can be a bit of an issue in many instances. However, its ease of use more than makes up for this issue. And finally at number 1. Wastor Auto Double Flaring Toolkit. There might not be too much room for budget tools in a detail-oriented setting like this, but this tool is an exception. This kit is very affordable but provides the infrequent user with everything he or she will need to create flares on a range of different tubing. It can be used on all the most common sizes and materials you would expect to find on almost any vehicle. It also doesn't require any additional hand tools for operation, which is ideal for vehicles where space may be limited. It is also constructed of heat-treated steel to promote reliability and function. This isn't the tool you want to use for more than a few projects. The fit and finish prevent it from standing up to frequent use. Still, it is an excellent option if you just need a flare tool for a single job or so. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, You can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.